everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a reverse dip with two canvases tonight with some fall colors is what I've picked. I've got Arteza colors chosen. I put my glasses on so I can read the little bottles. We've got Mars Orange, which is this one here. We have got Carmine Red, which is this one right here. Then my third color is Orange Red, which is this beautiful bright orange red right there. And then we've got also the Arteza's Sangria Red, which is this one here. I have not tried this one. When I mix it up, I'm like, I might like that color. We'll have to see. So we'll see how those ones do. Those are all Arteza. You can find them on Amazon. I have a link in the description, the little gray triangle right below the video. You click on that and you'll see a description with links to all the stuff that you see me use, all my products I use, my little cups, the stir sticks, my butane torch that I use all the time. All of that is listed below. If you do click on the link and buy yourself something to do an amazing painting yourself, I will get a tiny commission in a gift card to replenish some of my stock. So please feel free to do a little shopping this weekend. I'd appreciate it. Alright, this cup I have layered with all of those colors. Doesn't that look pretty? And I'm going to be using my thingamajig from the thrift store that I love so much to try and get a bit of a pattern. Both these canvases have a thin layer of white acrylic on there. It's a glue and water mixture with my white acrylic. So it's 50% glue, Elmer's Glue All, 50% water. Mix that up. Find whatever acrylic color paint you want to use. Put your acrylic paint in your container. Put some glue and water mix till you get to the consistency you want and mix it up. You're a way to go to pour painting. Alright, that's a quick description for you. So I'm just going to put this guy right in the center of my canvas, roughly. Try and get a nice little pattern happening. Love this new little tool that I got from the thrift store. Alright, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back, all of your wonderful comments. I love you guys. Thank you so much. When I get home from work and I get to read all those comments and see the likes and see how many views I've even had on a video, it really does make my day. So keep it coming, you guys. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start pouring this on. And let's hope for a beautiful painting tonight. Not that I don't always have a beautiful painting, because you know I do. Love all my art. But this is just a little bit different because I'm going to do a reverse dip. And I don't usually do it pouring the colors on like this. It's usually one by one. So I just wanted to try something a little different. So there's going to be lots of paint on here. Definitely enough for two canvases. And I bet those colors going down there looks pretty awesome. Almost done. Okay. Now I'm just going to let that sit for a minute, 30 seconds or so. Then I'll scrape off some of the paint and we'll go from there and see how it's looking. Okay, I'm going to go this way and this way. Don't want to waste that paint. Scrape down the side. One thing's for sure, I'm finding that I'm really enjoying these Arteza paints that I bought. They really are nice paints. Actually, you might be able to see them right here. I got a 60 pack of an assortment premium Artezas, and I've also got a 10 pack of the iridescent Artezas. And all the paintings I've done so far with them have turned out wonderful. Okay, I'm going to lift this guy this way. Just put him aside here. Okay, now I want to decide if I want to add more color in there. I still have colors in this cup, so I think I'm going to. I'm going to just accent it a little more with some color. Now again, this is going to be a reverse dip, so I'm going to have two canvases going down on this. I think I'm going to go right around the center with this color. I like this color, so be a little generous with it. Okay. And like I said, this is a test run. Who knows if this is even going to turn out. Put some more in that in there. Oh, the one thing I added that I forgot to mention, silly me. Hold on one sec. All those Arteza paints, I added this acrylic pearlescent mixing medium from Sargent. Just got it in today from Amazon. And it makes the colors all pearlized. It looks really cool. So hopefully that was a good investment too. We'll see how this painting turns out. Okay, I think that's good with color. I'm going to add some green though. This is just sap green and a little bit of Arteza's yellow green, just to give it a little bit of greenery on it. Just going to do a couple different spots. Just at the bottom here. Okay. We'll do some of the yellow green in there as well. Okay. Plenty of paint. Let's see how we do here with a reverse dip. I'm hoping this isn't going to muddy up. We'll see here. Okay, this guy's going down. Keep it roughly in the same area and press. I'm just going to give my canvas a little pressure to share the paint. Spread it around. You can feel the paint moving in there. Whoop. Okay. I think I'm going to pull this guy up because it's really moving around. Let's see how we did. Well, that looks pretty good. Okay, let me give this a little bit of a torch. Wipe my hands off a little bit. Get the bubbles off here. See if we have any cell action happening. Lots of bubbles. Okay, I'm going to turn this guy a little bit. I can look at him this way. Love the pearlized greens that I have happening here on the sides. I'm glad I added that. I think it's going to dry beautifully adding this to just a regular color paint. I think I want to lose a little bit of this top section here. Not too much of the paint, but a little bit of the stripiness from the dipping of the canvas. See if we can get some of that gone. There we go. Let's go back. There's a lot of paint on here, so I got lots of movement I can get happening. How about this guy? This one actually looks kind of cool with the stripes. I don't know if I want to move that too much. Let's see. Okay. So now this guy needs a little bit more of a torch here, some bubbles. Okay, so now this is where I'm going to add a little flower right in the center here. Just a little bit of the two bright colors I have. Let's see if I can get a unique flower in the center. This is my cordless airbrush. Best $60 I ever spent on Amazon. Go ahead, click the link and treat yourself. Awesome. Okay, there's one flower in. Let that settle for a sec. Let's do one more. Do I want to do this color? Why not? Let's do this color down here. Might do 3 colors in this one, we'll see. Very pretty. This one needs a little bit more pink in it. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to take my green, my dark green, and I'm just going to swish it on down. Put my stick in there again. And swish this guy down. It's pretty good. Let's get some of this bright as well in there, make it really punch. I'm liking that. Calling that one done. Now, do I want to add a flower to this one? Let's see. I think so. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna do this color right about here. Let's see if that's enough. Are you still with me? I hope so. Okay, I'm going to take some of my green on this one, straight down, maybe do a little bit of a leaf action on this one. Very pretty. Now, do I want to add one more on that one? Yes, I do. Let's go with this one a little bit more right here. Be a smaller one. Then I'm going to call these guys done. Okay. This one needs a little bit more of the pink in there. There we go. And take a little bit of this stick. Just going to draw a tiny little bit of a line just to give the petals a little detail in that one. Perfect. Let's get some green. And go this way. Let's make his line a little bit thicker. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, I think I want to add a little bit of green up here in this one too. Okay, I would officially call 2 paintings done in probably about 20-25 minutes roughly. We got this guy drying. Hopefully you can see it. I'm going to pour a little bit of paint off tipping it, but I'm going to do it anyhow. There we go. Turned out beautiful. And then we got this guy, who's also beautiful. There we go. 2 flower paintings, 2 masterpieces, very similar, yet not the same. Alright everybody, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please, give this a try. Anybody can do pour painting. It doesn't take pro artists to do this. Elmer's glue, water, 50-50, mix it up. Add it to any of your acrylic paint and start painting. Alright, thanks for joining me everyone. Come back and watch another video. Don't forget to hit subscribe.